Hello everyone, Civil Defense Southerner speaking, and today will be System Test 1 of the Notifier SFP-1024 Fire Alarm Communicator. So if you ever saw that trailer I posted about all these devices I'm representing, then what you just saw was the fire alarm system I received from Protegris Fire Safety in Ohio back in December of 2021. So we got everything right here. We got the alarms we have here is the wheel lock MT. It's a agent release one that constitutes fire suppression. It's set on it's either 15 or 75 candela. We got Chemitronics heat detector. We have a system sensor ADA mass, Fire-Lite BG12, system sensor i3, and Ansel dual action fire pole. And we have a key switch right there, but that's going to be disabled until further noticed. So it's going to be really epic. So that green light of the i3, and all these devices are system test 1 I received from Protegris Fire Safety, except for the BG12 and the i3. So let's start this. 3, 1, 2, 3. That's the mass on swept frequency. This one is on silent. Silence it. That was so insane. It wasn't that loud because I'm wearing hearing protection. So yeah, I forgot to say that the mass was on swept frequency. This one was on siren. So no code 3 horns for today, but in the next video I'll try and add them in. So here it is. We're gonna take out the keys. This pull station actually takes a notifier key. Little did I know about that, little did Protegris Fire Safety know. So yeah, we pulled it, and we're gonna do a system reset. There we go. So yeah. Now that the panel is reset, I think I'm gonna do maybe the i3 today. So let me go grab it. Bingo. Get the i3. I don't have smoke saver right now, but I'm gonna get soon. But here it is. There we go. So here's the i3. It's a really nice detector. You know, it was probably one of the most expensive detectors I got. It was the most expensive alarm I got when I did that eBay fire alarm haul I uploaded in February. This one was the most expensive. So yeah, it's a very nice detector. It was like 65 bucks and I love it. So we're gonna do a system reset. Okay. So we got that taken care of, and the red light went out. Okay, so this will be the last of the activations we're going to be doing, the Fire-Lite BG12. I'm not doing the heat detector or fire drill today. I'll do that in the next video at least. But we're going to pull the Fire-Lite BG12. Fire, push in, pull down. Gotta reset it. Locked. Okay, we're gonna do a system reset. And just so you know, the smoke detector and the heat detector are going to be permanent devices. And same thing for the key switch and and when I get wired. For now, I'm gonna cover it up with a dog poop bag. There we go. So this should conclude system test 1 of the Notifier SFP-1024. The first fire alarms I received. Thank you to Protegris Fire Safety for letting me have the system right here. Thank you to the YouTube friends and my family and everyone who's just supported me through this very cool hobby right here. So have a great day, everyone. Be sure to like, comment down below, and subscribe and follow. And you can not only follow me on YouTube, but TikTok and Instagram. So subscribe today, and I will see you later.